Hi, welcome to this another video of Property Expert Academy. Sometimes people ask, where is the market going to go in 2023? Whether the property is still a good asset class where one should invest. Well, the question is not which year you invest, but thing is, if you are investing prudently, there are always the deals which you need to be aware of, that whether you are wisely investing in those deals or not. That's more important. Of course, there are things which have changed over the past couple of number of years. But then if you are wisely investing, of course, it's not the way we used to invest. You will be able to make the same amount of money what people were making back then. But certainly there are other options that are available now which were not back then. And also now when the interest rate has gone up, there are a lot of other opportunities opening up. Banks are also coming up with these new types of mortgages as well, so which can help you to really find the best way of how you can invest in property. And it is not just about the location, or also it's not about whether you buy residential property, but of course I'm always a fan of investing in commercial properties or something where you can creatively do something better than just standard, the typical buy to let of residential properties. So there are always opportunities where you will find property has various angles, or if there are land parcel that comes along with the properties, or you can really creatively strike a deal in such a way where you can really have a much better returns, as well as you make your portfolio more tax efficient at the same time. So I will just suggest, number one, look out for the opportunities, because a lot of people will start reducing their portfolio or start selling some of this. Many retired landlord you will come across. Also, rate of interest has gone up, so that also shows now there will be less transaction in the market, less competition. And again, if you see from other point of view, like property market or property prices have significantly impacted, which people previously were thinking, how do we get the property within so much of budget. But now you can really negotiate very hard in terms of getting the desired goal. So with that say, be positive, still look out for the deals, invest wisely, and then creatively make the most out of your existing properties or the one that you're buying, so you can have maximum profit and make it more tax efficient by investing in commercial property, so you get more money in your pocket at the end of the day. So we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Meantime, invest wisely,